To transfer funds to a Morgan Stanley margin account, start by logging into your Morgan Stanley online account. If you do not have an online account, you will need to enroll first by going to the Morgan Stanley website and following the enrollment process. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section, where you will find the option to transfer funds. You will need to select the account you want to transfer funds to, which in this case is your margin account. Next, choose the funding method, such as an electronic transfer from a bank account, a wire transfer, or a check deposit. For electronic transfers, you will need to have your bank account information readily available, including the account number and routing number. If you are using a wire transfer, you will need to provide Morgan Stanley with the wire transfer instructions, which can be found on their website or by contacting their customer service. For check deposits, you will need to mail the check to the address provided by Morgan Stanley, making sure to include your account number on the check. Before initiating the transfer, review the funding options and any associated fees, such as wire transfer fees or check deposit fees. It is also important to note that transfers may take a few business days to process, so plan accordingly. To initiate the transfer, follow the on-screen instructions and enter the required information, such as the transfer amount and funding method. Review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation, and the funds will be available in your margin account. It is essential to keep in mind that margin accounts involve risks, such as the potential for losses to exceed the initial investment. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the terms and conditions of your margin account and to use it responsibly. In conclusion, transferring funds to a Morgan Stanley margin account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or by other funding methods. By following these steps and understanding the associated risks and fees, you can easily manage your margin account and make informed investment decisions.